Good morning students, welcome back to the channel. This is Deepak and in this video we are going to revise the topics that we have covered in our live lectures. So without wasting any time, let's move to today's topic. So we'll be beginning with the revision of HCF, and for HCF we'll be doing question number 1 from checkpoint number 2. Okay, so the question here says find the HCF of each of the following group of numbers by listing the factors. Okay. So let's solve this question 48, 120. We need to find the HCF of both these numbers and by the method of listing the factors. So first we'll write the factors of the number 48. Okay, 48 factors of 48. 1. Then as you can see in the unit place is 8, so 2 is also a factor, 3 is also a factor, 4 is also a factor, 5 is not a factor, 6 is also a factor, 7 is a 49. It is not a factor, 8 is a factor, 9 is not a factor, 10, 11, 12 is a factor of it, 13, then 13 is not a factor, then 14 is also not a factor, 15, 16 is a factor, 17, 18, 19, 20, none, 21, 22, 23, 24 is a factor, and after that 48, the number itself is a factor. Okay, now if you take the factors of the number 120, okay, 1 is a factor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 8, yes, 9, no, 10, not 11, 12, 13, no 13, 14 is not a factor, 15, yes, 15 is a factor, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is a factor, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. Yes, 24 is also a factor. Now after that, lately if you will see 40 is a factor of this number, and after 40 it would come 60, and then it would come 120. Okay, so if we consider both these the factors of both these digits, we'll find that these numbers, yes, these all are the common factors, but if we talk about the highest common factor, the highest of all among all these digits is 24. As you can see, 24 is in both the digits, 24 is a factor of both the digits, 48 and 120. So here I will declare that HCF of 48 and 120 is 24. Okay, now let's move to the question number 2. Now in this question it is being said we need to calculate the HCF of the number using prime factorization. So the numbers in the question number A of 72 and 108. So prime factorization we all know 72, and we'll find the factors. Okay, so we'll divide, as you can see it's 2 over here, so we'll divide the number by 2. 72, 7 would not be there, 6 will come 3 times, 12 come 36, 2 it would come 18, divided by 2 it would give 9, 3 it would give 3, 3 it would give 1. Okay, now if we take out the factors of 108 prime factorization method, we get, we'll divide it by 2, as you can see it's 8 over here, so 10 would go 5 times, 8 would go 4 times, 27, 3 would give 9, 3 again would give 3 and 1. Okay, so the factors, so in this method we find out that by prime factorization method, the factors of the number 72 and 108, we would find 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is in the case of 72. And if we talk about 108, we got 2 into 2 into 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so now we need to consider the digits which are common in both these numbers, 2 another 2, grouping of 3 and 3. Okay, so HCF of both these 72 and 108 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s is 12, and 12 3s is 36. So the highest common factor which would divide both these digits is 36. So students, now let's move to the second topic, that is LCM. So we can see checkpoint number 3, question number 1, find the LCM of each of the following group of numbers using prime factorization method. Okay, we're taking the number 12, 30. Okay, so we need to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method we all know, 12, and we'll make the normal format. We'll divide it by 2. 2 divided by 12 would give 6, again divided by 12, 6 would give 3, and 3 gives 1. Okay, now if we talk about 30. Divided by 2 we got 15, divided by 3 we got 5, and 5 we got 1. Okay, so the factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3, and in case of 30 we got 2 into 3 into 5. In this, in finding LCM using prime factorization, we don't use the number which are repeated twice, which are used twice. Like if we talk about here, 2 is written 2 times, 2 is common in both the digits, and 3 is common in both the factors of the digits. Okay, now here 2 and this 3 we'll write once. LCM is equals to 2, out of these 2 2's we'll write 1, and out of these 2 3's we'll write 1 3, and the rest of the remaining digits, it is 2 into 5. Now 3 into 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So the LCM of these two digits is 60. Okay, now let's move to the second question. Now let's move to the question number 2. Find the LCM of each of the following group of numbers using common division method. Okay, because the number over here 48 and 72, but now we have to find the LCM using common division method. Okay, there is nothing different in this. The only thing is this, that earlier we were doing this division separately. Now we are going to write both the digits together. Okay, we'll make a bigger table this time, which could comprise both the digits 48, 72. Okay, now we need to take a number which would divide 48 and 72 together. Okay, so if we take a number, we can check it's 48, 8 over in the units, here it is 2, so we can divide both the digits by 2. Okay, so 48 when divided by 2 would give 24, and 72 would give 36. Now again, here it is 4, here it is 6. Again it will divide by 2. We'll divide these numbers by 2, and it gives 12, 36 will become 18. Again from 2, gives 6, 9. This would give 3, and here as it is 9, it won't be divisible by 2. Now, as you can see, that here it is 3 and here it is 9. So we'll divide the numbers by 3. It would give 1 time, it would give 3 times, and 3, 1, 1. Now we'll write LCM of 48 and 72 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, here we don't need to make a pair or anything like that, that 2 here is 2 times, so we'll take 1 2. Here nothing like of this sort is going to happen. We'll directly write the numbers which are over here in this format, and we'll multiply those. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48, 48 3 is 40, 46 is 120 and 8 3 is 24. So it will become 144. So the least common multiple of the number 48 and 72 is 144. By this we end our today's video. I hope you all learned and I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you are having any kind of doubt and all, you can just text me that in the group. And till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.